What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So I got a little bit of a surprise for you today. I do not have Robbie with me as he is currently out of town, but I just did a huge trade. So we noticed the MR2 content's been a little lacking recently. So I traded it for a new to me 1990 Mazda MIATA. Alright guys, so a little about this car in general. I got it from a guy in Wisconsin. We met and traded up. He wanted my MR2. He's a huge MR2 enthusiast and he had this. It is a 1990 model year with only 109,000 miles on it. He did a full service on it, including water pump, timing belt, valve cover, I think an intake gasket. We'll move more onto what's under the hood in a bit. But right now, just a walk of the car. The paint's in decent shape. The front and rear bumper, the rear bumper's got nothing on it, but the front bumper at least has a little bit of paint, but the clear coat is flaking. Everywhere else is fine. If I honestly repainted those two and buffed it a bit, it'd look really, really nice. It is actually sitting on MR2 wheels, which I thought was kind of funny. So overall, just first observations of the outside, it's pretty nice. Got the smoked housings for the turn signals. He's got this lip on it, which is cracked. Everyone runs this MIATA lip. You can get these anywhere. I'll probably end up just getting a new one for it. I do honestly like how this looks when it looks right. So I want to do it properly, make sure it's gloss black. I really don't know what I want to do aesthetically to this car. I will probably end up leaving that to Robbie. He is the aesthetics guy. I will do all the mechanical work. He'll make this car look pretty good. So I guess next thing is we will move on to the interior. Really not much to it. I mean, it's a MIATA interior just like any others. Still factory seats, speakers are in the headrest still. It's an NRG with a quick release steering wheel or quick release hub. The car has 109,000 miles on it. I've been driving it for about a day now, getting a feel for it. Some short throw shifter with a shiny ball on it. I'm probably gonna get rid of that. Actually a pretty decent Pioneer with Bluetooth. Don't think it has NFC, no navigation, but it plays music. The AC does actually work. So do. Oh yeah. I mean, it's a MIATA interior. Power or crank windows, manual everything. Nothing to it really. I don't think I'm gonna end up getting a hardtop for it. I know a lot of people do and they say it just makes the car feel a lot better, but it gets hot in Georgia, so I think we'll leave the soft top for now. So under the hood, it is still the 1.6 liter motor. He painted the valve. I don't know if he painted the valve cover or if the previous owner did. They did a pretty good job because it's holding up well. I do not know if this is a real Apexi intake. I would assume it is. I don't know. Whatever. It just sounds cool. It doesn't really add any power. Other than that, it's pretty much stock under here. He's got a Mishimoto rad, which is really nice. I had one of these in my Mark III and I really, really liked it. Car never overheated, never had any issues with it. Same with this. Stock fans, but Mishimoto rad. Having no issues with it so far. Yeah, I mean, it's a relatively stock, clean MIATA. Paint is in decent shape. No real mods whatsoever. I mean, steering wheel and a cold air intake and a radiator, if you want to call those really mods. So I really don't know what I want to do with this car. So that's where you guys come in. Let me know in the comments down below what you want done to this car. Turbo, whether you want to do a turbo and a build, I can get some ITBs for it. I really have no clue. Probably start with just sway bars and coilovers, see where it goes from there. Anyways, that's going to be it for this quick little video. So make sure to like and subscribe because we have a lot more content coming, not just on this car, but on the Evo as well, and possibly another car we'll be picking up in the future. But we have merch, so not stuff like this, but it's all really nice, really comfortable. We actually are about to get these shorts in right here. Really good workout shorts, summer shorts. It's gonna be nice for the heat. The hoodies are awesome. Shirts, hats, trying to get jet tags in. Everything will be on the site soon, so go check that out down below. You can't buy any better clothing. It's really nice stuff. So thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay original out there.